The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green jungle, lived a mighty lion named Leo. His roar echoed through the trees, and all the animals knew he was king of the jungle. Leo was strong, brave, and proud, but he was also a little grumpy. One hot afternoon, Leo was napping under a shady tree when a tiny mouse named Mimi came scampering by. She didn't mean to disturb him. She was just chasing a fluttering leaf. Suddenly, she tripped and landed right on Leo's nose. Roar! Leo woke with a thunderous growl. Mimi squeaked in fright. I'm so sorry, Your Majesty. I didn't mean to. Please don't eat me. Leo blinked and looked down at the tiny creature trembling on his paw. You woke me from my nap, he grumbled. Why shouldn't I gobble you up? Mimi stood tall. Well, as tall as a mouse could. Because one day I might help you. Leo burst out laughing. You help me? You're no bigger than my whisker. But something about Mimi's courage made Leo pause. Fine, I'll let you go, but don't expect me to need help from a mouse. Thank you, Mimi squeaked, and she zipped away into the grass. Days passed, and Leo continued his royal strolls and roaring naps. But one morning, while chasing a butterfly, he wandered into a part of the jungle he didn't know well. Snap! A trap hidden under leaves sprang shut, and a net flew up, catching Leo in the air. Roar! He roared, twisting and turning. But the more he struggled, the tighter the net became. The hunters who had set the trap were nearby, and Leo knew he had to escape before they returned. Help! He called. Someone! Anyone! From the bushes, Mimi peeked out. She saw the giant lion tangled in ropes hanging from a tree. Leo! She gasped. Hold on! I'm coming! Leo groaned. Mimi, what can you do? Mimi didn't answer. She climbed the tree, scurried across the ropes, and began nibbling with her sharp little teeth. Nibble, nibble, snap! Bit by bit, the ropes began to break. Leo the lion watched in amazement. You're actually doing it! Finally, with one last bite, the net tore open and Leo tumbled to the ground. Free! You saved me, he said. You really did. Mimi smiled. Told you I might help someday. Leo chuckled. You didn't just help. You were braver than most animals I know. Word spread quickly through the jungle. The lion had been saved by a mouse. All the animals gathered for a celebration. There was dancing, drumming, and fruit punch made from jungle berries. Leo stood proudly beside Mimi. From now on, he announced, no one is too small to make a big difference. Mimi is my jungle helper. Mimi blushed, and Leo is my best friend. So, kids, what did you learn from this story? Never underestimate someone because of their size. Bravery comes in all shapes. Kindness is never wasted. One small act can lead to something big.
Even the strongest need help sometimes, and that's okay.
Amazing. And that's it for today, kids. See you next week.